Before the pandemic, Grandpa's United used to get together with a group of third graders and have lunch, and we would show them things and talk about things. And one of the things we did was make paper airplanes. And as you probably know, this is how you do it. So you start off and you fold it in half. And this line is key to the whole situation, because then you fold this corner in. And then you fold this corner in. And then you do it again. Bring this one in. And this side in. Okay. And then fold it over. And bring a wing down. The other way. And there you have it.